Lipstick letdown? Meet the lip stain that refuses to quit. Ever faced the endless battle of lipstick smudges, stains on coffee cups, and the dreaded reapplication marathon? Tired of makeup that vanishes the moment you take a sip, snack, or even smile? For busy mornings, nights out, or marathon workdays, the struggle to maintain vibrant, flawless lips feels like an impossible quest. Ordinary lipsticks often dry out lips, fade unevenly, or leave embarrassing smears behind. Isn't it time to ditch the drama and discover a lip solution that truly sticks? Enter the Wonderskin Wonder Belating Lip Stain, a game-changer in long-lasting lip color. Imagine a lip stain so advanced it locks in color for hours without feathering, fading, or transferring. Thanks to Wonderskin's revolutionary peel and reveal technology, vibrant color is infused into your lips, creating a smudge-proof, waterproof, and kiss-proof finish. This isn't just makeup, it's innovation in a tube. Whether you're powering through meetings, sipping lattes, or dancing until dawn, this lip stain holds its ground. With patented liquid belating technology, it delivers flawless, budge-proof results, making your search for the perfect lip product officially over. Wonderskin isn't just about lasting color, it's about comfort and confidence. Unlike drying formulas, its alcohol-free blend hydrates your lips while locking in color. And the process? Simply apply, peel, and reveal, no mess, no fuss. Its unique two-step formula delivers up to 10 hours of vibrant, transfer-free color, outperforming ordinary lipsticks and tints. Plus, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and packed with safe ingredients. With over 45 to 60 applications per tube, it's not just effective, it's economical, giving you beauty that lasts without breaking the bank. Why settle for less when you can have it all? Wonderskin's lip stain resists smudging, stands up to water, and even survives meals, no touch-ups required. Its patented activator locks in hyperpigments, ensuring bold, vivid shades for every skin tone. Whether you're craving a soft pink or a daring red, there's a color to match your vibe. Bonus? You can layer it with gloss for extra shine or keep it matte for an effortlessly chic look. This is beauty that bends to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Say goodbye to lipstick letdowns and hello to all-day perfection. Wonderskin isn't just makeup, it's your secret weapon for unstoppable confidence. With its easy application, long-lasting results, and mess-free performance, it's no wonder beauty enthusiasts can't stop raving. Whether you're heading to work, a date, or the gym, this lip stain has your back and your lips. So, why settle for ordinary when you can make every moment extraordinary? Get ready to peel, reveal, and feel fabulous, one flawless application at a time.